Namaskar everyone. I am Anup Kumar Tiwari, associated with learning and development profession with my passion and accomplished with 20 years of experience. If I dissect my professional journey, around 7 years with hotel operation and 13 years with a learning and development platform associated with a diverse esteemed organization. So currently I am associated with Peerless Group of Hotels as a capacity group head learning and development. Apart from this core responsibility, I am identified by the management to maintain the additional assignments of Peerless Skill Academy as a academic council member and academic leader in hospitality segment. However, my job role is related to human capital development to get maximum productivity in an organization. So let's understand human capabilities are to respond the changes in business strategy and can increase its value to the organization. Improving knowledge capital, individual performance with skill and attitude, competency, high morale of employees, tacit knowledge, quality of work life, these all are intellectual soft assets of the organization, which can improve by transferring knowledge, by imparting skill, by developing attitude through the process of focus training option that will directly affect immediately to the performance of the employees. If any company's value, if we say or if we observe, the company's values includes three types of assets. So three types of asset. Number one asset is financial assets, which consist with cash and security. Number two is the physical assets, which consist with property and equipments. And number three, the most important, that is intangible assets, which consist with human capital, social capital, customer capital, and intellectual capital. Four types: human capital, social capital, customer capital, and intellectual capital. So these intellectual assets are equally as valuable as financial and physical assets. But there are not something that can be touched and they are not monetary. So as we know, every organization having two types of cost. One is visible cost, another is invisible cost. So what is visible cost and what is invisible cost? So imparting training help the organization to control and save invisible cost. Certainly training is expensive, but without training is more expensive. So generally our mindset is working within the box culture, within the box. But if we create the working environment and mindset of intellectual assets or our employees out of the box thinking culture, spontaneously key result area of the organizations can be open and unfolded. So if we installing or planting the training process with well concentration in depth root, then no need to worry about sweet and healthy fruits. So stay with positive mindset. Life is yours. Thank you. Namaste.